Can't focus like you used to? Forget names, passwords, appointments, even mid-sentence thoughts? You're not lazy. You're not just getting older. Your brain is asking for help. Years of bad nutrition, non-stop stress, and never-ending screens. It all adds up. We've unknowingly created the perfect storm to weaken our brain, day by day. But here's the good news. You can rebuild it. You can sharpen your memory, boost your mood, and think clearer, naturally. In our guide, Brain Health, we break down exactly how to repair and optimize your brain using real food, smart supplements, and simple lifestyle changes. Inside, you'll discover 1. What's really destroying your brain, and how to reverse it. 2. Foods that fuel memory, focus, and clarity, like tuna, eggs, and coconut oil. 3. Natural brain boosters. Creatine, omega-3, caffeine, yes, really. 4. How to restart your brain's learning engine at any age. 5. Easy daily habits to support your brain for life. Your brain is the control center of your entire life. Click the link below to download Brain Health now. Don't wait for burnout or brain fog to take over. Rebuild from the inside out, starting today.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.